I'm Karen Kia.
And I'm Bertha Bentley.
This is Wheeler News, live at 3 p.m. on channel L105.
Today we have a special interview with Victor Frankenstein, who has been accused of the murder of Henry Clerval.
Back to you, Susan.
Thanks, Karen. And now for the interview with Victor Frankenstein, who has been accused of the murder of his friend Henry Clerval. So, Victor, what got you into the field of science?
When I was a young boy, I witnessed lightning striking a tree.
Holy frickin' crap, that just hit our tree.
Which made me wonder a lot about nature and really got the gears turning for me, so I began studying a lot.
What was your motive for creating this said creature?
While I was studying nature, the power of nature actually overtook me as a dark storm came by and it clouded my ability to think straight. This made me think that it was a good idea to experiment with nature and attempt to create an unnatural form of human, but the power of nature was too strong. And it turned into something evil.
How did you feel and what did you do after you created this creature?
Well, at that time, it was a very dark time in my life, which was reflected, as I before mentioned, by the dark, gloomy weather. So I felt that I needed to get somewhere that would be beautiful to affect my mood, since I had just lost my brother and Justine, a very close friend of mine. So I went to the mountain, to this lake that I go to that always helps me collect my thoughts and feel calm.
We'll be right back with Mr. Frankenstein's interview and story after this commercial.
Are you tired of this cold, dreary weather? Do you need a new umbrella? Well, we have one for you.
Introducing the Big Black Umbrella, coming to your local Walmart today.
Breaking news, a local house has fallen down because of a tree being struck by lightning. Here's some of the family and how they feel about this happening. Ma'am.
I don't care, I'm just the ants on my house.
What are you going to do now since the house has fallen down?
I mean, I guess they're gonna have to live with me or something.
Now, to the weather.
As you can see, the winds are coming in very strong from the east, and the rain is pouring down aggressively, which could affect your traveling abilities, so you may want to stay inside and cozy up on this cold winter day.
Thanks, Karen. Now back to your story, Mr. Frankenstein. So I heard that the creature and you had a reuniting at one point. What was that meeting like?
Oh, I remember the dark, gloomy ambiance of that night. As I mentioned before, nature has an effect on my mood and personality. I remember the disgusting form of the creature and how disturbing and repulsing it was to me. It tried to make me pity it with its story, but how could you ever pity a devil? It forced me to create another creature. It tried to threaten me with my family. It was terrible.
Did you create the second creature for him?
No, of course not. But what's scary is that I almost did. As it seems like I'm repeating it a lot of times, but the weather and nature does have an effect on my personality, and it was dark, stormy, and gloomy that night. But once I saw the terrible monster that I created the first time, I knew I couldn't do it again.
Because you didn't create the second creature, do you blame yourself for the creature murdering your best friend?
Well, I can't answer that question. Let's move on.
Well, that's all we have time for today with this interview. Thank you, Mr. Frankenstein, for being here. Now...
Bertha Bentley here, at an ocean that local townspeople say is their favorite spot to visit. How does this ocean make you feel?
Well, I have a lot of good memories of coming here when I was a child, and I love the beauty of the nature here and how the waves are and the sand, and I just think it makes me feel really happy due to the beauty of it.
How does it now make you feel that a body that Victor Frankenstein was accused of murdering was found on this very ground?
Oh, well, I wasn't aware of that, so that kind of makes the spot not as pure and happy as I thought it was.
This is Bertha Bentley here. Back to you.
Wow, Bertha, you can really see that the power of nature influences a lot in today's society.
It even influences people to commit murder.
That's insane. Anyways, if you have seen this creature, notify local authorities immediately.
As this monstrosity has been convicted of the murders of both William Frankenstein and Henry Clerval.
That's all we have for today on Wheeler News, channel L105. Good night, 4th period.
A local house has fallen down because of a tree being struck by lightning. Here are some of the family and their thoughts. Man, what do you feel about your house?
We're not gonna laugh. We're not gonna laugh.
Just don't look at me or else I'll laugh, okay? Just stop.
And I'll be like, oh, well, you know.
So I'll be like, we're here in an ocean. How does this make you feel?
Okay, I'm fine.